quick. Spin, spin, spin. Dude, that's spinning.
Wow. That is crazy. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Okay, that sounds really good. So I'm currently following Chris. He's just got on stage 3 on his RS3. It's actually so loud at this distance that I'm having trouble concentrating. Oh, wow. Sounds great. So yeah, he's got on stage 3 APR hybrid turbo. Very considerately did it while in quarantine. So I haven't really been able to check it out while we've been on lockdown. Wow, that sounds good. But there's been a slight lift to the restrictions. As you can see, it's been quite restrictive. We're now allowed to go for a drive for fun, not just for important reasons. So I mean, I think it's pretty important to go check out a stage 3 RS3, but I don't think the police think it's very important. But yeah, here we are now. We're allowed to go out for a little drive. We're going to still socially distance as much as we can. But yeah, it should be very interesting. My car is now completely outleading by his car. There is no comparison. Oh my god, it's so good. It sounds better. It's got it lowered. It's painted his wheels. It looks better. It's a hell of a lot faster. That sounds amazing.
Yeah. It's the best. That's what I was saying. I heard one that sounds better.
That's just crazy. Oh, the brakes look really nice out of the sun too. Yeah, yeah. I was just saying then.
It sounds so good. I'm so happy with the sounds.
It's awesome. I was just saying then. It's like it sounds better than mine. It's faster than mine. It's looking better than mine.
I wish it never came.
Yeah, it's so loud.
But the good thing is, I only get that when I'm in sports mode.
Yeah, so you can still quiet it down.
Yep.
Do you want to drive? Just drive for a few seconds in comfort, just so I can see what it's like.
Yeah.
It's like, I mean, it's not as quiet as Camry, but it's pretty damn stealthy. You can hear the turbo whistle. That's about it, though. You wouldn't know. Yeah, it's a pretty distinct change, though. Wow, I have never heard anything like that before. That is amazing. Oh, it smells like a distillery. It really does retain that 5-pot sound, and it's crazy loud.
So when you say you've just got it parked and you just give it a couple of revs, it has that really long spooling wind down sound.
Oh yeah,
so good.
Yeah,
which you just don't get with the stopping turbo. So I was going through the tunnel. I think it was on the way home or going back to the shop the week after. I was sitting on 80 and I've just dumped it in auto and the whole car's just gone like that. I'm not kidding.
Yeah,
the whole car.
Is that kind of like scary level of power now?
And it just spins.
Yeah.
So I've got 2 files now that they've loaded onto it. So
Yeah.
I've got a high grip and a low grip.
Yeah, right.
High grip, which is for quarter mile and racing,
yeah.
is useless around town. And the low grip, so that limits boost in the lower gears.
Limits the torque a bit.
Well, you have to have it that way around town because you just can't get traction.
Yeah.
Oh.
Jeez, it sounds so good, hey?
You just can't get traction.
Sounds awesome.
I don't think I've had the music on more than like 2 since I've had it.
See, that's the thing. Like,
why?
I basically
I
never.
can get rid of that and not care.
Well, actually, we'll have to do a little bit now. Which one is it?
It's so nice to drive.
It's actually scary though. Definitely doesn't feel like overly laggy.
I mean, you're gonna get a little bit just by nature.
Yeah.
Bigger turbo, you're gonna get that.
Yeah.
But it's.
But I mean, like.
It's not to the point where it's going to annoy you.
Yeah, it doesn't feel any worse than like the amount of power you get in a stock one. It's just that you've got so much more power, obviously.
So even here, I'll give it about 70.
Alright. Oh, wow.
And that's on, and this is all on my,
that was
at 70.
a very scary 60 kilometers an hour.
50, wasn't it?
No, 60.
50. Yeah, I like to do under
It sounds
limit.
so. You know what they sound like on the outside? It's amazing. They are so loud from the outside.
See, they must be, hey, because
you cannot appreciate it from inside the car. I gotta say.
Really?
It's so loud. It's like echo off the neighborhood loud.
really, these are pretty well insulated, even with the windows down though.
Yeah. You really can never get the full sound from inside the car. Which is like one of the ironic like downsides is that you can never hear how good your own car sounds.
You cannot, no. Oh,
That would have been like what, 20%?
5%.
Yeah, okay.
That's what I find. I was saying before. You get that really nice drawn out crack.
Yeah.
If you're not on full throttle.
Yeah.
Going from 2 to 3.
Yeah. But yeah, it's the downshift or the lift off like that. Those ones when you've gone.
Yeah, it's when you lift off. So you go like that, give it a bit of lift off. Those ones.
Yeah. I think maybe not quite as high revs. Oh man,
Yeah.
oh my god.
Yeah. So that was good crack. What I love is there's not 50,000.
Yeah,
Like bang, 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 bang.
There's some guy who goes down
nothing
the
worse.
road near my place. Goes down the hill and just goes going bang, 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 the whole way. It's like
RS3?
no, it's like a I-30N or something, some other like Golf R or something similar like that. But it just sounds completely ridiculous. Whereas this just feels natural.
So even then, it's pretty responsive. That's just auto, driving along.
There is no problems with response. I think, yeah, like I was saying, I think it's just as good, if not even better, than stock. But it's just you're juxtaposing little power comparatively to massive power at the top, and so that it accentuates the feeling of lag, even though it's not actually lagging compared to stock.
Yeah.
Have you had another gearbox, Matt?
Yeah, stage 3 now.
It's so perfect.
Yeah.
It's instantaneous.
Yeah, I
There's
think
no
it's better.
change. That's amazing.
So it increases again like another 20% or 30%. Yeah, over stage 2.
Yeah, nice.
I think it's. I can't remember what the numbers are, but it's substantially more than stage 2.
I'm going to try and get a shot of your revs. Like, actually, do you want to... Can you just go manual mode for a second?
Yeah.
Just go, like, down to second, for example. Yeah, that's like immediate, hey?
It's pretty good.
And then back up into third.
Yeah, it's quick. It is quick. Maybe it's quicker than stage 2.
That is... Well, I've never seen
It's
anything
quick.
that quick. That's crazy.
That's Porsche PDK quick.
That's what I mean, yeah.
That's down there.
Yeah.
That's it. That's actually.
Oh! So you need to drive it in manual mode, but it sounds amazing.
That was 30.
No, 60.
I didn't. Yeah. Yeah. That was incredible.
That's absolutely ridiculous. Does it still have that like that downshift like anti-lag thing? Oh, you know how to do that one?
Haven't tried it.
Yeah, okay.
I've just been too busy listening to the sound.
Yeah. That is crazy. That is ridiculous. It's really composed too. Like
Really composed.
it doesn't feel like a highly modified car.
It's smooth.
Sounds amazing.
What is that?
And I love that, like, it's naturally getting louder as it gets warmer. It's not just a completely fake.
Yeah. That's right. go back up this way a bit. So it's pretty quick. Spin. Dude, that's spinning.
Wow. That is crazy.
That was a 4-wheel spin flat, 40 metres.
And that's high grip. Low grip.
Yeah.
Oh.
So the first 2
Wow.
gears are low boost. Yeah.
That is ridiculous.
Alright,
Wow.
and that's uphill.
Yes. That's what
So
scares me.
that's how it's just relentless.
This is easily by many margins the fastest car I've ever been in.
Oh,
Like, easy. Would be too much to ask if I have a quick go.
go for it.
Gotta find a good spot.
Yeah, let's pull over here.
I don't think I'll be putting my foot down as much as you are.
Set
I'm
it
gonna
up
have to
here,
adjust the seat.
Yeah, that's right.
Where's that thing? Oh, that's right. Oh. It's been so long since I've adjusted my seat, I forgot it doesn't have
The RS3 manual old school.
Yeah.
There we go. That's better. None of the luxury mod cons. Good thing is when you get back into them, it's just like your own.
Yeah.
Everything's familiar.
Oh,
It's just there. Hey, everything's just there.
it's so nice. 80, right? See if it does that thing. Oh my god.
It sounds so good. It's incredible the sound.
The whole car just feels like,
Different.
yeah, like more taut, more ready to go.
Oh no, so I've got the big pendulum in between the dog bone mount and the
Is that why it's like a bit more?
yeah,
like,
probably that too.
punchy?
Yeah.
Wow.
That is wicked.
Yeah. See, that's that like rolling
Yeah.
anti-lag thing that I was talking
Yeah.
about. He just like builds the
Yeah,
boost for a
it's
bit and then goes.
That's epic.
It's so cool. I really feel like I'm in danger of losing my license just by sitting in the car. It's so fast.
Yep.
Oh my god, I'll go down in there. There's some people that might bring that. Oh, that sounds ridiculous. Oh my god.
These guys going, I hope these guys don't stay.
It sounds exactly like I want it to sound. I actually want this exact sound on my car. This is pretty much.
And all you got to do, keep it simple, just go stainless steel, take out your resins, just put in a new set of pipes where they went, and then you're done. It's so easy.
Okay, let's do a little bit of a.
That's
Holy crap!
It's hard, but it's effortless.
Wow, that is shockingly fast. Oh my god!
It just gets away from you, hey, the speed.
It doesn't.
You've got to look
Once
every
it's on
second.
boost, it's just like flat
It's
torque.
solid, yeah.
Oh my god!
And it just punches so much harder.
It feels like just a humongous engine. Once you get to like what 3,000-4,000 RPM, it just feels like
It
a
wants
big
4.
engine.
It loves 4 and over. Yeah. So don't forget, peak torque is at like 7, 8. Peak torque. That's epic.
Oh my goodness! Oh, it sounds so good. Oh,
Gee, that's ridiculous.
this is a
That
dangerous
is
car.
epic.
Like you just have to think about it, and you're doing the speed limit.
Those pops and bangs are so good.
I think this has pretty much changed my opinion
everything.
of modifications, like entirely. Like I've always been a bit like I've always loved the modifications you've had, but I'm always kind of away going, oh, I don't know, like it's modify the character of the car a bit. And
I'm so glad. I'm so glad.
this is
I did it.
amazing. Do we go left here?
Yeah.
Do you want me to just drive back?
Yeah. So, well, you give it a little pump down here. Oh
Wow, this is just
Oh, new
insane.
Camaro. You get a little pump down here,
Yeah. Oh, you don't want
and watch how quick you get up to speed. That was brutal.
It's just unbelievable.
It's way under 3 seconds.
It was 70.
100 meters per hour.
That was yes. I definitely got to the speed limit in in a short
It
period
feels so
of time.
different on this side too. It just feels
Yeah,
on
you
song.
see what I mean? Like,
it feels on song though.
Yeah, oh yeah.
It just feels alive.
Solid.
Alive, yeah. Like it just wants to rip. Even then, lovely, hey. So good. So good.
That was me like doing a couple of little...
Oh, it's epic. I'm really happy with the drivability, as you say.
It's not any different at all, other than as soon as you hit boost, it's ridiculous. But up until then, like
Yeah. See?
that's completely fine.
And that's still quick.
Yeah,
Like, that's still quick.
that was about maybe
And it
5%
still pulls
throttle,
hard.
and at low revs.
It's obnoxious.
I know,
Let's
it's so
face
good.
it, that's half the reason we bought these, hey?
Yeah, it's got to be both though. Like
You
you
want
can't,
that.
you don't want something that's just like.
It's got to be both.
Yeah.
100%.
Sometimes you want to, you come home at night and you don't want to piss off your neighbours.
But isn't
Chuck
that
it
the
in a
draw
comfort
card with
mode.
these? Just that 5-pot crackle
It's
and
so
sound?
good.
Like, oh, it's so good. And the harder you pump it,
I don't want to get
the
out.
louder
I actually
they
want to
get.
take it home. I
It's good,
actually
hey?
love it. This is.
you should hear it in the tunnels.
Oh, yes. Okay.
That's the next video.
I was going to say next video. The
Tunnels.
one I want to do is
Just tunnels
the,
will do.
the audio lap of
Oh,
Brisbane.
you got to hear it.
It was.
But even now, it's quite
Realize
nice.
you're not in shot by the
At least give you a couple of little pops when you want them.
I've been so distracted driving the car. I haven't even thought about like filming.
Oh, even that.
Sounds amazing.
Hear the turbo?
So good. This is honestly, I
People
want
look at
it.
me.
I really want it.
Sorry, guys.
Actually, like, this is a distinctly different car to mine in all the good ways. Amazing. Amazing.
So you washed yours recently
Yeah, a couple months ago.
when it rained? Yeah.
Wow, that's.
And it smells good too. It's got permanent.
Do you ever worry that,
aftershave.
like,
Permanent aftershave.
You'll
I'll
get pulled
blow.
over by police?
We'll blow over.
Yeah, just like, have you had anything to drink today? No, but my car has. No, amazing. So good. This has changed. This has like changed my opinion of modified cars. Oh, the sound. The sound is just.
You can't help but laugh, hey.
Yes, it's like hilarious to drive. I can tell the difference of like how clean my car isn't because your diffuser looks blacker than my diffuser. Like,
Because I wash my car.
yeah, I wash it. I just don't wash it very often.
That is due for a wash though.
What, yours?
Yeah.
Why?
Due.
What?
It is due. Yeah, well, have a look at.
Yep, I'm having a look.
Yeah.
Oh,
It is.
yep, there you go.
It's
Yep,
hideous.
it's. I
Don't
mean,
look.
that's disgusting.
That's
I
why
can't
I like
believe you.
white, though.
How embarrassing.
That's why I like white. Still white.
Yeah.
No.
Imagine having a car that's that dirty. I mean, I always like to keep mine absolutely spotless. That's how bad my, like, because obviously
Look at that, yeah.
looking at yours, I'm like, oh yeah, that's really nice. Look at those brakes. And I look at mine, I'm like, oh damn, that's due for a clean and a half. Yeah, mine is actually red behind the brake dust. I'm actually like,
Doesn't it pull like a horse though?
I don't know. I can't tell if I like the power more or the sound.
Our heads are like that.
Yes. It gives like a neck workout. It's actually exercise. You have to like you can go out for exercise.
But
There
not
you go.
crazy. It's and they limit the torque with the tube. Obviously stock motor, torque's what does the damage.
Yeah.
So I think APR cap it at 800 and it's under 800. I think it's 7 to 750 in that whole range. We'll see on that.
Oh, I didn't
I've
even.
got no red now, it's just 8.
I wasn't even looking at the. I gotta admit, I did not look at the tacho once
Well,
because
it's
I was
just
paying
8.
attention to what was
There's
in
no,
front of me.
you can see it there,
There's no red line.
there's 8. It's epic.
Limitless revs.
It's 8. But
So
you need
cool.
that because you're losing out on your lower RPM.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, you got more usable. You need it, revs. It's.
Yeah.
I'm blown away. It's ridiculous. It's so good. I think it's got like a mind-altering amount of performance. The sound is there as well, and it's just as drivable, and it's just as comfortable, of course, because nothing's changed in the interior. I'm like in in shock. My brain, yeah, I have like a headache from processing that car's performance. I really want that car now. Crazy.